Hey there, if this is your first time visiting my Patreon page, I just wanted to welcome you here. Patreon is a really special place for me. It's a different mindset than just having someone come to my community and join my Facebook group or take a class for me. What Patreon means to me is that supporters are coming out of sometimes what feels like nowhere and stepping up and saying, here's some money to help you continue making the content that you're making. And you guys, that is everything to me. I work full-time to come up with creative projects that can make us all happier, make our lives enriched, breaking down concept drawing and mixed media projects into simple parts so that everybody, no matter what your area of expertise is or your lack of experience or your interests, like everybody can have success with art. Because really the end game for me is to we can all kind of get to our happy places super fast. We don't have to worry about technique, and we don't need to worry about being perfect, and we don't have to worry about all the technical things. I want us to relax. I want us to experience awesome art, and I want us to all get to our happy places sooner rather than later, because art should just be relaxing and really fun. And sometimes what gets in the way of that is things are too complicated. And so my goal is to make things easy so that we can get to our happy places as fast as possible. So your support on Patreon means the world to me. I'm actually a mom to 3 boys, and they're still at home. My husband works and travels extensively internationally, and I'm at home holding down the fort, and I'm also trying to make ends meet for my family as well. It takes a team of people, believe it or not, for me to be able to do what I do. I have a virtual assistant who lives in the Netherlands who helps me with my email, the technical side of it, like making my website talk to my email service provider, talking to my other website. There's a whole techie world behind the scenes that goes on that's over and above me. So I have to pay money to hire her, and your funds go directly to pay her so that I don't have to worry about educating myself on those technical aspects, and I can keep cranking out good art projects for all of us. I also have an assistant, Mandy. I need help with SEO research or making sure my websites are optimized, getting pins out on Pinterest. Because it turns out if I am sitting here alone in the world making great content and nobody knows I exist, then all of my hard work is for nothing. So it's really important to have someone who on the social media and SEO business side who can help generate more eyeballs on my work so that I can get the reach out further, so we can make more people happy with our awesome art projects. So it's a whole sort of system. And again, your funds from Patreon directly go to pay Mandy Brown for her services. And she, between her and my friend Wilhelmina, who lives in the Netherlands, and my neighbor Chris Miller, who does all my book layouts, that's another thing. I've done 7 art books so far, and I cannot make those in a vacuum. So Chris Miller is my neighbor and friend, and she's an amazing graphic designer. So your funds also go to pay her so I can do all my book layouts. I completely self-publish all of my books, which means I do not have the support of a publisher. I do not have a marketing team. It is me, myself, and I, my little team, and you guys. And so your support literally means everything to me. Oh, and before I forget, another really big expense actually that I need help paying for is technology. This is my 3rd microphone that I've gone through because they keep not working correctly. Sometimes that takes trial and error. And the other thing that is really expensive, aside from art supplies, which is fine, is software. Everything takes software. It's you need software to run a YouTube channel. You need software to be able to email students. I pay for software that hosts my classes. Patreon takes 10% of whatever you guys donate. Life's just expensive out there in terms of running a digital business. So it's more expensive than you would think. So again, thank you so much. Thank you. I am so happy that I can reward you in some really solid, great perks for your generosity to me. So the Fun Fab Drawing Club, everybody over $10 a month gets free access to that. If you're $25 a month or more, you get both the Fun Fab Drawing Club and the Mixed Media Society. So you're saving. If you were a regular person off the street, you would pay $30 a month, and you guys get it for $25. And as long as this video is playing, you're locked in at those prices, and those will not ever go up for you. I am so happy that you guys are here. It literally means the world to me because you are literally making it possible for me to be able to keep doing what I'm doing. I have in plan for more art books. I want these lessons for the Mixed Media Society and the Fun Fab Drawing Club to never end, and I want to build up an awesome library of content. So no matter where you are in your artistic journey, you have somewhere to start and you have somewhere to go. And I just want to be on that road with you guys together because you guys rock. I love you. Thank you for visiting. And if you have any questions, you can email me at karen@awesomeartschool.com. All right, bye guys. Thanks so much.